In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix packet bursts or loss on Modern Warfare 3. So for example, this is your Modern Warfare 3. You should right click and go to properties, and you should go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. Now, the second method is just go to your Windows security. Now, just click that, and as you can see in here, there is a firewall. Make sure to turn off all of these firewalls because it blocks some of the important connections in your internet and to your games. And also, you should also off your app and browser control in here. And as you can see, exploit. I mean, as you can as you can see, reputation-based protection settings, I turned off my check apps and files. And the second method is just go to CMD. Make sure you run at it as administrator. And once you're in here, just control and just paste this or just copy this in your CMD. Niche WinSock receipt to receipt your internet and just enter. Now, the fourth method is just go to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet protocol. So as you can see in here, I will go to my Wi-Fi and go to open network and settings. Now, once you are in here, change adapter settings. And as you can see, whichever you use, just right click this, go to properties. Now go to properties and make sure to use the following DNS server, which is 8888, and the other one is 8844. And just press OK, and just press OK again, and that would fix the packet burst on the Modern Warfare 3. That's it.